and then let's log out. Now if we go and look at the site, now what we need to do is register for the site. Click register. And then we do the same thing again. Put in a new username and a new email address. Now we'll log in. Okay, now we go and we view the site. So we have silver and gold. Okay, so if we wanted to select the silver level, click on the PayPal button. Okay, you see it says silver membership, total $9.95. So then we just log in and proceed. Okay, we pay $9.95 now. Return. Okay, now if we go back and look at you'll see that the silver button has disappeared because it knows that we have silver access level. Okay, now one thing we didn't do when we were in admin was set up members only stuff for silver, so we better go and do that. So I'm going to do that and then we'll come back to this. Okay, first of all, let's correct this mistake in here. Get rid of this word silver because it's a little confusing. There we go. Now, to make our content so only certain people can see them, paying members in other words, we need to create a post, to write a post. And then, so we'll say silver members. Okay, and then all we have to do is pick silver and publish. And then create another one. Call it gold members. Then you put all your gold member content in here. Down here, you would select gold as your category and publish. Okay, now let's log out. Let's have a look at the site. Okay, so under categories gold, if we click on gold, okay, you see we can see the header, but we can't see what's inside there. Same with silver. We can see the header, but we can't see what's in it. Now if we log in with our user ID, demo user 2, now when we view the site, if we go into gold members, okay, remember we didn't purchase this, so we can't see the content inside there. But if we go to silver, see, there is the silver member content there. So the silver membership is now available to us. So that's how simple it is. If we goes back to the payment levels again, okay, the widget isn't turned on to show the posts. Let's do that to make this a little easier. Okay, so let's go to Design, Widgets. And recent posts. And then Of course, we have to put everything else here that we want to, otherwise none of it shows up since we're using widgets now. Archives. Whatever you want here. Okay, so let's go with that. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's log out and back in as demo user 2. Okay, let's go back and view the site. Now if we click on gold members, okay, we can't see that. But silver members, we can't see that. Okay, so this works a little better now. So let's go into payment levels, and you'll see that silver's been paid for, gold hasn't. So let's just go ahead and pay for the gold side. People normally aren't going to do this probably, but I just want to show you how you access the other levels. So up here it says $19.95 USD for the gold membership. Okay, gold membership, $19.95 one time. Pay. Now if we go and look at gold members, you'll see that we now have access to gold member stuff because we paid for it. We have silver member stuff, which we paid for. Our payment levels. There's nothing in here to pay for anymore. Okay, now this is still showing here because we turned off the subscription part. So these are now paid members, these gold and silver guys. That's why they can see this. Okay, so that's really it. That's how you can set up your membership site as either a recurring payment site or a single payment site. Now, one more thing I just want to go over here before we sign off. Let's go back and log in as admin again. And if we go to settings and into our configuration here, user manager, demo user 2 we'll put in here. Now remember, we put in 9,999 days, so they basically don't expire for a long time. Now down here you can see that they've paid for item number 4 and 5, which are our categories. Okay, so that's basically it. The rest of the WordPress stuff is standard stuff. You're setting up your template, making your other posts, and perhaps setting up permalinks and other categories. But this is the guts of the membership part, and that concludes the video series.